You walk into a Gen AI interview. This one question can decide your salary, and most candidates are not ready for it. The interviewer pauses before speaking. This is the most asked question, and surprisingly, many still answer it poorly. The interviewer leans forward. The question is, what is fine-tuning? And then waits silently. Many candidates immediately say retraining. That answer is incomplete, and it signals shallow understanding. Fine-tuning is not retraining from scratch. It is specialization. That distinction separates surface knowledge from real understanding. Large language models already understand language broadly. They are generalists. Their knowledge spans many domains. Fine-tuning narrows broad intelligence into focus. It transforms general knowledge into domain expertise. Precision increases when the model becomes specialized. Imagine hiring a brilliant graduate. They are smart, but new. They still need structured guidance. You train the model using your internal data. This is internal training, and gradually its behavior begins to adapt. They remain intelligent. Their behavior becomes aligned. Now they reflect your organization. Every fine-tuning project begins with clarity. You must define the objective. Without it, architecture collapses. Without direction, compute resources burn quickly. You burn GPU money. Mistakes become expensive very fast. Then comes the most critical element. Quality data determines outcomes. Models learn only from what you provide. Poor data sets spread hidden errors. Garbage in produces garbage out. Quality directly shapes output. After data, strategy must be chosen. You must choose the right strategy. Design determines scalability. Full fine-tuning updates every parameter. It is powerful, but costly. Infrastructure requirements increase dramatically. This approach demands strong infrastructure. It requires serious compute. Enterprise GPUs become necessary. Efficient methods adjust only selected layers. You update small parts. Scaling becomes lean and controlled. That is why industry prefers parameter-efficient methods. They are cheaper, faster, and scalable. Production systems reward efficiency at scale. After training, evaluation is essential. You must validate and test. Measurement defines reliability. Metrics provide useful signals. That is not enough. Human judgment remains critical. Language contains nuance and subtlety. Human evaluation ensures alignment. Judgment cannot be fully automated. Performance alone is not sufficient. Safety must come first. Risk multiplies at scale. Before deployment, careful review is required. You must check before deploying. Hallucinations damage trust instantly. So why fine-tune in the first place? It improves domain accuracy. Precision builds credibility. Organizations care deeply about consistency. You must match tone and format. Brand alignment builds trust. Fine-tuning reduces dependency on long prompts. You reduce prompt complexity. Reliability increases significantly. Efficiency improves operational performance. You reduce cost and latency. Scaling becomes sustainable. Fine-tuning is powerful, but it is not always the first step. It is not always the first solution. Strong engineers evaluate the system before choosing the tool. Sometimes retrieval methods are better. Sometimes RAG is more appropriate. Dynamic knowledge can outperform adaptation. Sometimes simplicity wins. Sometimes prompting works effectively. Start simple before scaling. Experts think in architecture, not tricks. You must think in systems. Mindset defines maturity. Fine-tuning adapts intelligence to context. It improves domain performance. Value increases with specialization. Ultimately, execution defines impact. You must build business-ready systems. Deployment determines success. That is how you answer in an interview. You answer with clarity and confidence. And that is how you stand out.